Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to do the open item in Genius POS. Open item means that you can create the item on the spot without adding into your menu, or just like the economy rice, you directly give it a price. Thank you.
Okay, so go to the setting, then go to the item. So I create a name. For example, I put open food. So I turn on the open price, then select the category. Example, just click add. So I'll click on the edit to change the sequence. Just click done. Then okay, let's say for example, if I order the open food, it will ask me to insert the price. So I put 250. Just click add. So it shows that this item is 2.50 ringgit. If I put 80 ringgit, also can. You also can put it as the open drink. Then just turn on open price. And select category, just click add also. Then just click on open drink and you just insert the price. So let's say this bill has been checked out. Then you can refer to your item sales. That will show your open item at here. Furthermore, you also can go to the function and create an open item as well. Let's say for example, just put on the price and you select the kitchen printer to print out. Just click add. Then it will show it here. And this item won't add it into your menu. Then that open item will add it into here. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, chào Genius POS, chào A Seng lah.
Cari POS system, cari A Seng.
Find Genius POS, find A Seng.
Find A Seng.
Chào POS system, chào A Seng.